Hello. So, I'm here with my helpers, Sam, Aston. Olivia's way too important at the moment. And we are going to make the best plum sauce recipe ever. You're going to thank me for this later. This is so yummy. I've got some plum puree here. Now this has actually been in our freezer for the best part of a year. We got given a whole heap of plums last year and they're kind of the really tart kind. And way too many for us to even eat, can you imagine? And so I actually pureed a whole heap of them up. I'll probably do a video like next plum season showing you how to do that. So I cooked a whole heap up, pureed them and froze them in little batches. Sam's going to be my main stirrer. So we want about 1 cup of the plum sauce, the pureed plum. Just put that on a low heat. Sam can start stirring. And we want to also add about, with that, yes, about half a cup of sugar. Right, so mix all that together.
Is this the sauce that you use as a base for your
For the sweet and sour? Yes. This does make a very good base for like sweet and sour pork or sweet and sour chicken as well. It's got that real good tang to it because of the type of plums we're using. Now, dice up an onion. You only need a small onion. We just had that size onion, so that's what I'm using.
You're not going to put on your onion chopping glasses?
I can't be bothered finding them at the moment. I say that and I'll regret it later. I'm going to be crying within a minute. Just keep stirring that. Now we need just about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I don't find one of the kids' plastic teaspoons, go figure. Does anyone else lose teaspoons?
That's mine from the milk.
Yeah, I know that's yours. That you got free out of a cereal packet.
Sultana brand
So,
packet.
it was a Sultana brand packet, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This is ginger. That was cinnamon. About 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. And in the box.
Ginger smells.
We need a tablespoon of vinegar. So, a tablespoon of vinegar. And a little pinch of salt. So, I'm just going to go jump. That's Aston's belly button that you need to poke. Then you just need to add...
delicious in here.
You do. Then you just need to add a bit of water. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water. And you can always add a little bit more water as you're going. But you just sort of want to... So you just keep stirring that, just let it gently come to the boil. And, you know, just taste it as you go, depending on your... Yeah, how you're going. Let that onion cook well. And add a bit more water if it boils down too much. And we will see how that comes out.
In the car.
So I just thought I would show that to you. That is just absolutely, words can't describe how yummy that sauce truly is. Now I've actually been convinced to change my dinner plan and turn it into like a sweet and sour chicken, so I thought I'd just show you. Now the sauce does thicken the longer you sort of let it sit. So, but I'm actually just going to tip this straight over. Oops, let my rice boil a bit. I'm just going to tip that straight over the dinner now because I've got some chicken and some veggies and stuff that I've just been cooking up there, so I'm just going to tip that straight over there and just let all that mix in. Yum. I've just got some rice on the go with the other pot. Rice is a great dinner cheapener actually, by the way. And so I'm just going to mix that all in and just let it bubble for a little bit, and that will be so yummy. And I can guarantee you at least one of the kids will turn their nose up at it. That's what they do. That's in their contract.